Hi folks, thank you for joining us. Today we're in the Chaparral region of Southern California, and we have a very stereotypical plant throughout the entire Southwest, especially the desert regions. This is Calabazeia, or buffalo gourd. Look how the leaves stick up. They feel like sandpaper. They have a very distinctive odor. Sometimes you could smell the Calabazeia when you're walking close to it in the desert areas. Here's one of the little fruits. Looks sort of like a little pumpkin. It's really not edible. I've tried to eat these guys before. They're very bitter. So sometimes people take the seeds out when they mature. They clean the seeds really well, and then you could bake the seeds and eat them. And actually they're not bad. They're like pumpkin seeds when you clean them, but the fleshy part inside the gourd is very bitter. It's not a really hard gourd, but I've seen them made into rattles, where you hollow it out and you use a stem and you add little pebbles. So they're not bad for rattles and for storing things. The leaves, again, like sandpaper. And what I like about this plant is that it is one of the half dozen or so soap plants that we have. And to make the soap, you typically will get the young leaves, like so. Any of the leaves will work, but the new growth works the best. And what I'm showing you, you get a few leaves in your hand, you wet them, okay, give it a little water, and agitate it, and you get some green froth. Sometimes it's better than others. It's a low quality soap, but it is a soap. Was used by the native indigenous people of the Southwest. You could use it for your body, for your clothes, for whatever. It wasn't the most desirable soap like some of the other plants I'll show you because of all the little prickles in it, but it is a soap nevertheless. It smells like pumpkin leaves when you work with it. So there's another plant from our local area. Thank you for joining us today, folks.